As the Omicron variant continues to surge in the Carolinas and the rest of the country, health officials have found a new tool to try to predict the next wave of cases. At New at 10, we're learning that they're finding it in the most unlikely of places, the sewer. Queen City News reporter Ryan Kruger joins us now. Ryan, scientists say COVID in wastewater is an early indication of case numbers, right?
Yeah, that's right, Alicia. It's usually a few days before we start seeing a massive surge in positive COVID-19 cases. Scientists are actually seeing a wave of COVID in the sewer water. And in some parts of the country, we are seeing those numbers drop. That is the good news. Unfortunately, here in the Carolinas, those numbers are actually going up.
Gotta grab the lid.
On the campus of UNC Charlotte, scientists have spent the last 2 years looking for COVID in an unusual place, the sewage water.
It gives you an early warning sign to be able to, program ourselves or prepare ourselves to further not let the clinical cases go higher.
Dr. MUNIR with UNC Charlotte has been studying pathogens in wastewater for several years. So when COVID first hit the Carolinas in early 2020, her team got to work as one of the first college campuses in the country to start testing the wastewater for COVID.
A lot of times when we get infected, we might not have any symptoms, or we might not go and get tested, right? So we're still shedding viruses that go into the wastewater.
And the numbers from the state's COVID dashboard show the Omicron variant skyrocketing the cases in recent weeks. In fact, Charlotte, Winston-Salem, and Durham have all seen sustained increases according to the state's latest data. Raleigh's latest numbers, though, show that COVID has plateaued, at least for now. But there is good news in other parts of the country. For instance, Boston has seen a whopping 40% drop in COVID in its wastewater. Dr. MUNIR says now leading health officials are paying close attention to the water that we all flush away.
They're seeing it as one of the, effective tool in fight against COVID.
Now, according to the company BioBot Analytics, which tracks COVID in the wastewater across the country, the Omicron variant is peaking in several parts of the country, including the Northeast, but it's still going up here in the South. Brian?